Do you also want to add your WooCommerce orders instantly to Google Sheet? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video I am going to show you how you can automate WooCommerce orders to Google Sheets using Pabbly. And here I am going to use an amazing software provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So now here, as soon as I will receive a new order over my WooCommerce, I am going to add those details or the order details to the Google Sheet. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then let me take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen, and now let me show you how you can add your WooCommerce orders to the Google Sheet with just one setup. But let me firstly show you how this automation which I have created inside Pabbly Connect is going to work in real time. So for that, let's move on towards my WooCommerce store and make a new order. So here I'm landed to my WooCommerce store, and now let's say I'm going to buy this product, that is GG Glow Cream. So now let's add it to the cart, and here I'm landed to my checkout page where I have provided my email address as latest@pabblytudes.com, my first name latest and the last name lead, and here I have provided the address, and now I am going to select my payment option as cash on delivery. Now let's place the order. And here you can see my order has been placed successfully. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the order details are saved over there or not. So here you can see I'm landed to my Google Sheet named as WooCommerce orders, and here I'm getting some fields such as full name, email, phone number, address, product and the amount. And here I'm getting the same details which I have recently filled over my WooCommerce while placing the order, that is full name, latest lead, email, latest@pabblytudes.com, and here the phone number, the address, the product which I have recently bought and the same amount. So now you can also create an amazing automation for your own business too, which will automatically save the WooCommerce order details into your Google Sheet. Means now you don't have to do any manual work because Pabbly Connect is going to automate all your tasks. So now if you like this automation and planning to buy any Pabbly product, then I have something exciting for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and automate your business with creation of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code STUYT and take your business to the next level by the help of the automation. And for creating this automation you have to access Pabbly Connect, and for that you have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where I am going to access this Pabbly Connect app as I am going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I am going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow then you can select this option of create using AI. But I am going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I am going to select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name add WooCommerce orders to Google Sheet, and now I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are getting this pop-up that is workflow created successfully, and we are landed to our workflow page where you might observe this option of adding the trigger. Now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So triggers are first application or the application which initiate our workflow, and Pabbly Connect automates workflow by connecting trigger app to the action app. So when a trigger event occur, the action is carried out automatically. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as WooCommerce, as I want to trigger my this workflow as soon as a new order is received over the WooCommerce. So now let's search for the WooCommerce, which can be seen here, and now I'm going to select my app event as new order created. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my WordPress account, as WooCommerce is a plugin of WordPress. And here on the sidebar you can see this option of WooCommerce, and on the WooCommerce I am getting this option for settings which you have to select. And once you will land to the settings page, you have to select this option of advanced, and here on the advanced I'm getting this option for webhooks which you have to select. And now I'm going to add the webhook URL which I have recently received from my Pabbly Connect to the WooCommerce so that a connection can be built in. And here I'm landed to this webhooks page where I'm going to just select this add webhook, and here I'm getting this page where I'm going to provide my webhook name as new order received, and the status I'm going to select as active. And now I'm going to select my topic as order created, as I want to initiate my WooCommerce as soon as the order is created over here. And now I'm going to enter the delivery URL or the webhook URL which I have recently received from a Pabbly Connect, as this is acting as a bridge between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. And now I'm going to simply click over the save webhook, and here you can see my webhook has been updated successfully. And here you can see in my Pabbly Connect I am successfully receiving this webhook ID in the response. Now I am going to select this recapture webhook response, and now I am going to make an order over my WooCommerce for getting the details, as here I am receiving the webhook ID but I need the order details. So for that, let's move on towards my WooCommerce store and make a new purchase or the new order. So here I'm landed to my WooCommerce store where I'm going to purchase this product, that is Radiant Glow Vitamin C Serum. So now let's add it to our cart, and now let's proceed towards the checkout. And here I'm landed to my checkout page where I'm going to fill my details. So here you can see I have provided my email address as demo@pabblytudes.com, my first name demo, last name lead, and here I have provided my address. And now I am going to select my payment option as cash on delivery. Now let's place the order for our product, that is Radiant Glow Vitamin C Serum, and here you can see its pricing as well. And here we have successfully made the order or created our order. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the order which I have recently created or not. And here you can see in my WooCommerce I have successfully received this response providing the same order details and the same product which I have recently bought in my WooCommerce store, and here you can see the same details of my user as well. So now this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now let's move on towards our action app. And now I am going to add this data to the Google Sheet. So for that we just have to click over this add new action step button, and here I am going to select my action application as Google Sheets, and here I am going to select my app event as add new row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page where if you want to build a new connection then you have to sign up with your Google account, but I am going to use my existing connection. So now let's click over the save button, and here our connection has been built in and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet where we want to save the data. So here I have already shown you the spreadsheet where I am going to save the data of my WooCommerce orders. So here I am going to keep my spreadsheet as same, but from this drop down you can select your preferred spreadsheet. And here we are getting these fields for entering the order details. Now you might be thinking that I am going to manually enter the order details, but no, I am going to perform mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from WooCommerce, as this is my previous step. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous application. So here I'm getting WooCommerce, by using which I'm going to map the full name of my lead. So now you can see I'm getting the first name which I'm going to map, provide the space, and map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it, and now likewise I'm going to map the email address. So here I have mapped the email address as well, and now I am going to map the phone number. So here I have mapped the phone number as well, and now I am going to map the address. So here I have mapped the address as well, and now I am going to map the name of the product my user has bought. So here I have mapped the product name as well, and now I am going to map the amount. So here I have mapped all these details, and these fields are dynamic, means now you don't have to enter the values or the order details again and again. The response will be replaced as the new order will be arrived on your WooCommerce store. So now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this data to the Google Sheet, and here we are receiving a positive response which demonstrates that we have successfully built in our connection and our data might be saved to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, and here you can see I'm receiving the same detail which I have recently mapped over my Pabbly Connect, that is full name, demo lead, email demo@pabblytunes.com, phone number, address, the product which I have recently bought in my WooCommerce, and here the same amount. So now you can also create an amazing automation for your own business too, by using which you can add the WooCommerce order details to the Google Sheet within few minutes by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and create many more amazing automations like this for automating your whole business. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you want to learn any other automation, then comment below. And if this video is really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.